In this lesson, we will go over the different types of sketch circles you can use in Fusion 360. Having multiple options for creating sketch circles can be a handy tool for several design situations. The first is the center diameter circle. This feature is useful when needing to create a circle that is concentric with another circle, or when it is necessary to have the point of a circle lie directly on a point. Second is the two-point circle. This circle is formed by selecting 2 points to define the diameter of the circle. The next circle is the three-point circle. This circle is formed by using 3 points that lie on the linear path of the circle for locational placement. The next circle is the two-tangent circle. Select 2 lines on a sketch, then define the size of the circle with a final left mouse click. This can be helpful when requiring a radial corner, as opposed to a sharp corner in a 2D sketch. Finally, the three-tangent circle. Select 3 lines residing in your sketch to form a circle.